Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to test the battery life draining test and the heating temperature test in the Realme GT with a Snapdragon 888 processor while playing the Genshin Impact gameplay. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. How much higher temperatures the phone can actually reach while playing the Genshin Impact. That's what I'm going to demonstrate, friends. And right now I did install this game here, as you can see. And right now the battery percentage is also charged to 100% exactly. That's also perfect. And during this time, let's see how much high temperatures the phone can go and how much the battery will be drained. Just only for maybe 15 to 20 minutes of gameplay. Not much, only 15 to 20 minutes. And you can see the temperature starting at 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the starting temperature. And we're gonna see exactly how much high temperatures the phone gonna reach after some time of operating the game. Let me start at same time. So there is no GT mode is used during this process of testing. Yes, no GT mode. And we'll try to monitor the exactly real-time FPS meter what's happening as well. How much FPS it was able to maintain real time. That is what my main idea of making this real-time FPS statistics. What's happening. Let me start the gameplay here. And I'll try to use the highest settings as possible, which is ultra settings. Exactly I'll try to use. By using these ultra settings, we'll be able to find out whether the phone was able to maintain exactly high FPS throughout the time or not. And temperatures will slowly increase, friends, from 29 degrees. As you can see, it's increasing gradually. From 29 it became 31 at this moment. So right now it's kind of loading the game. Once after the complete setup has been completed, I'll try to play the game and I'll try to show you exactly after some time. So right now the game has been opened, friends. As you can see, the frame drops of what is happening at this moment, it's dropping up to 20 FPS as well in a Snapdragon 888 processor, friends. And right now let me show you exactly the settings, what I'm trying to use. I'll try to use the ultra settings only, everything set to high, as you can exactly see. Maximum, all the settings are set to the maximum settings only in this process. And let's check the temperatures of 37.8 degrees Celsius. It increased, and just now I started to play the game as well. And right now you'll be able to see the frame drops, what's happening as well. It's not that it's kind of okay, I would say, not that smooth overall. I'm just totally playing the normal gameplay only, friends, not any fight, but I'll try to search for any kind of fights if possible, so that we can actually experience a really good FPS drop test as well. Let's see whether I can get any kind of fight at this location. Yes, I got the fight. So let me just slightly zoom it in and you will be able to focus exactly on the FPS. So yep, now it's kind of focused. So try to look at the FPS only during this process of testing. Right now, as you can see, the FPS dropped out to 47 FPS during this process, 43 FPS as well. As you can see, if it's FPS 59, it's maintaining, not bad. It's kind of maintaining, I think above 40 we are getting FPS count. And the temperature started to increase. I can actually feel a lot of heat coming in the backside as well. Wow, that's very high temperatures, friends, detected at this moment on the backside of the phone. So FPS dropping up to 38 as well, 38 and 40 sometimes. Let's see, is there any kind of fight left over in this kind of location or not? Yes, there's some kind of light. So you can see the normal FPS, how much it's maintaining, not bad regarding maintaining. It's kind of 53, it's maintaining at this moment, 53, 55, not bad. So it's kind of okay, I would say, 37 FPS as well. There's some cases where the FPS has been decreased gradually, but still it was able to kind of okay, keep it 50. 47. Right now I need to check the temperatures, what's happening in the device, how much high temperatures the phone did reach. You can see the FPS drops occasionally, it's dropping up to, there's a random drop is happening at this moment. Let's check the temperatures. It's about 42.4 degrees. You can see 42.8 degrees also it increased, and on the back side to 40.4 degrees. Front and back you can definitely see the temperatures 42.8 degrees just for only playing for some time, 10 minutes of gameplay only, friends. And the battery dropped by 97% at this moment. So right now it's 97, so dropped by maybe 3% during this process of 10 minutes of testing. Not bad. Right now as you can see FPS is dropping up to 47. So that's the lowest value I did see. Not bad on the FPS. Overall it was able to maintain pretty good. Yes, not a major problem right at this moment regarding the FPS. Let's see what's gonna be there in this chest. So friends, kind of really okay I would say. So not exactly maintaining around 60, but still it was able to kind of maintain 50. But the temperatures are quite shocking to see. High temperatures. Maybe right now the phone might be reaching up to when 40 degrees as well, I guess so. (43°C), 43. So right now the temperatures did come up to 44.8 degrees Celsius in the Snapdragon, 45 degrees Celsius, friends, 45, just for first 12 minutes of gaming. That a normal gaming. I'm not in the high level to play anyway, but with the just normal gaming while I'm trying to do 45 degrees Celsius. I think with this kind of continuing the game, the phone can actually increase up to maybe kind of close to 50 degrees as well. The phone can actually reach. As you can see, not bad with the overall and yes, there is a frame drops happening. So definitely the Snapdragon 888 processor also can get high temperatures during the process of testing sometimes. And I'll try to check the temperatures, what's happening as well after some time. Let's check the temperatures. So 43.8 degrees, 43.4. The phone came out to 45 temperatures as well, 45 degrees, and backs are 42. So playing Genshin Impact, definitely friends, it's kind of a really heavy game. This phone will consume a lot of power and utilization. You can see CPU and the GPU utilization is only 50%. Not that much is happening at this moment anyway. You can see there's a frame drops. The FPS came down up to 28 FPS as well. 28 FPS it came down, maybe because of high temperatures, I guess. That might be the reason why the temperatures are slightly kind of decreased. So 41 FPS it's maintaining, 41 and 39, 43. Let's do another fight here. So it's maintaining 42 FPS overall. So right now the temperature is of 43.6. So 45 degrees is the highest temperature the phone did reach. After that it's not increasing much higher than that anyway. So this defense is a quick Genshin Impact gameplay test in the Realme GT with a Snapdragon 888 processor can definitely get high temperatures, which you should definitely understand. So let me increase my level and everything. Oh, as you can see, overall the FPS was able to 38 FPS. It's maintaining not bad 38. So 31 FPS, the FPS has been dropped to 31, the lowest value which we did see. So no wonder why even the Snapdragon 870 processor also will struggle to get high FPS, but definitely they will not generate high temperatures like this phone. This phone, I mean this processor generates high temperatures than the other Snapdragon processors. And after 17 minutes of continuously gaming, the temperatures increased 43, 44, and even the lower part also getting high temperatures 38.6 overall. As you can see friends, after 17 minutes of gameplay the battery dropped to 93%. So maybe for 30 minutes the battery might drop up to 15% as well. I mean it can come low as 85%. So for 1 hour it will be dropping up to 30% to 40% just while gaming this one. Maybe the gameplay will be only 2 to 3 hours continuously of Genshin Impact game can be possible if this is the statistics. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you have any other questions let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.